This video got 8 million views. This video of a fish, 2.4 million. And this one of a snail, 2 million views. That's how many views this TikTok account is getting by using just one simple AI method to create these videos. A couple of days ago, I stumbled upon something that really blew my mind. A super high quality AI video of a grasshopper playing a guitar set against a stunning backdrop of a wheat field. And get this, it had 8.6 million views, over 11,000 comments, and nearly 1 million shares. That kind of numbers is unheard of for AI-generated content these days. But it doesn't stop there. This account had multiple videos, each with millions of views. At first glance, I thought this must have been made by a professional animator, someone with years of experience and the best tools. But then I thought, could it really be that complicated? So I went down the rabbit hole, testing every AI software I could find, until I uncovered the exact formula this account used to create these viral videos. But I didn't stop there. I had to check YouTube to see if anyone else was doing this or even talking about it. And guess what? No one, literally no one, has touched this niche yet. Guys, this is a completely untapped goldmine. Imagine being the first to jump into this niche on YouTube. You could create these videos, stand out in a way no one else is, and watch your views, subscribers, and income skyrocket. But here's the thing, you need to act now before this niche gets oversaturated. So I'm gonna give you the blueprint for creating these viral AI videos. No cap. In this video, we're going to do it all, from writing the prompts, generating the images, animating them into videos, adding sound effects, and finally editing the whole thing. This is super detailed, so I'll leave every single prompt and all the resource files from this tutorial in a handy Google Doc so you can follow along easily. And to show you how this actually works, here's a quick clip of the video I was able to create. But before we start, let me be clear. If you don't watch this video all the way through, you'll miss crucial steps and you won't see any results. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is write an image prompt. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a ready-to-use prompt. All you need to do is swap out the animal's name. For this demo, I'm going with a cat playing a guitar. But seriously, you can pick any animal you want. It's totally up to you. Alright, so what's next? Now that we've got the prompt ready, it's time to head over to ChatGPT. I'll paste the prompt there and let's see what it generates. And look at that, a detailed description for each cat image. This is exactly what we need. Perfect. Okay, now that our image prompts are ready, it's time for the fun part, actually generating the images. Feel free to use any text-to-image generator you like. For this demo, I'll be using Leonardo AI because it's free and super easy to use. But Dreamina is another great option. It gives amazing results, and I've talked about it in detail in my previous video. I'm just giving you options to choose from. Go with whatever works best for you. Alright guys, here's what you need to do. Just type Leonardo AI into Google and click the first link you see. If you're new, just sign up. It's super quick, like 2 minutes max. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this page. And check this out, Leonardo gives you 150 free tokens every single day. That's more than enough for what we're about to do. Now before we jump in, let's tweak a few settings to make sure we get those crazy good results. Change the model to Leonardo Phoenix. Switch to the new mode called Flow State. Trust me, this one gives stunning results. And finally, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's perfect for YouTube Shorts. Alright, now we're ready to bring our first prompt to life. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'll head over to ChatGPT, grab the first image prompt we made, paste it into Leonardo, and click Generate. Boom. Just look at this. It's incredible, right? Honestly, this one looks like it was made by a pro. And the best part, this feature is still totally free. How cool is that? Now go ahead and download all the images you love. If you're not feeling the vibe of a specific image, no worries. Just head back to ChatGPT, tweak the prompt, and paste it back into Leonardo. You'll get a fresh batch of images with different cats, guitars, and backgrounds. Alright, after downloading all the images, the next step is to make them look even better by upscaling them. And no worries, we're not using any paid tools. We'll be using CapCut Upscaler. So once you log in, you'll land on this page. Just click on Upload Image, pick the image you want to upscale, and set it to 4K. Then, click on Upscale. Look at that, it's already looking so much better. Once you're happy with it, just click Export. Now I'm gonna upscale all the images that I will need. Alright, now it's time to transform those stunning images into videos. Feel free to use any tool you want. You can use Kaling AI, Pika Labs, Hyper AI, or Runway. For this demo, I'll be using Hailuo AI. And honestly, I've tested pretty much every tool out there, but this one gives me the exact results I've been searching for. So just open your browser, search for Hailuo AI, and click on the first link. Once you're on the website, hit sign in at the top right and log in with Google. If you're a new user, lucky you. You'll get a 3-day unlimited free trial. And existing users still get 100 free tokens daily, which is awesome. Now you'll notice there are two options, text to video and image to video. Since we've got the images ready, ready, of course, we'll choose image to video. Now here's what I'll do next. I'll upload the first image we upscaled. Then, in the description box, you'll need to type out what movement or action you want in the video. You could go with something simple like a cat playing guitar, but for the best results, here's what I recommend. Head over to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Please describe the cat's playing style and posture in all scenarios, focusing on subtle and controlled movements. I've already included all the prompts you'll need in the Google Doc, so you can just copy and paste. For this demo, I'm working with an image of a cat on the beach lounging in a hammock. I'll look for the specific prompt description for that scenario in ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT gives a super detailed description. So I'll just copy the description, paste it into Halo AI, and click Create. Repeat this for all the remaining images. Now keep in mind, if you're a free user, the generation process might take a while. So take a break, stretch your legs, maybe touch some grass. Yeah, boy. Just kidding. But seriously, if waiting isn't your thing, here's a little hack. This is the obvious one, ha ha ha. You can log in with another Gmail account. Or better yet, ask your friends if you can borrow theirs, and you're back to creating in no time. Alright, now that the videos are ready, let's take a quick look at this one. Isn't that amazing? Seriously, it's hard to believe we just created this with AI. So, the next step is simple. Download all the videos to your device. With that done, we've got 90% of the resources we need. There's just one thing left to complete the magic, the sound effects. Specifically, we'll need the perfect guitar sound to match the videos. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find the best ones in just a bit. But for now, let's move on to the final step. Now it's time to dive into editing. We're not doing anything too crazy here. I'm keeping it simple and free, so I'm going to use a free tool like CapCut. First, open a brand new project and import the videos we got from Halo AI. Next, just drag the videos into the timeline, one by one, until you've got all the clips in place. Now, to make the flow a little smoother, I like to add some transitions. So, just click on this button in the top left, and you'll see hundreds of pre-made transitions to choose from. And if you ask me for my advice, don't go for anything too flashy. Keep it simple. I recommend something smooth like this one. Just drag the transition between the first two clips, and it'll make everything look a lot more polished. Now, for this scene, we need some wave sounds. So, I'll head over to the sound effects, search for it, and then drag it right below this scene. Alright, the only thing missing now is some background music to bring this video to life. At first, I tried searching for guitar sounds on Pixabay, but honestly, they didn't quite hit the mark. So, I turned to my favorite tool for sound effects, DupDup. If you haven't heard of it, DupDup is like an all-in-one AI toolbox. It does AI avatar, voiceovers, avatar cloning, voice cloning, you name it. But today, we're using its sound effects feature. Here's how it works. Just click on the sound effects feature, and it'll ask you to type in a description. Don't worry, you don't have to come up with anything yourself. I'll go back to ChatGPT again. I'll use the same prompt from earlier and add, give me unique guitar sound prompt for the following prompt scenario. The scenario should match the mood and setting of the image. And don't worry, you don't have to type anything yourself. Just copy and paste it from the Google Docs link in the description. And just like that, ChatGPT gave me the perfect detailed descriptions for the guitar sounds. Then, copy one of those descriptions and paste it into DupDup. Here's a quick tip. You can generate up to 22 seconds of sound effects on DupDup, but customize it to just 10 seconds. Then max out the stability option to get the best quality. Then hit generate. Check it out. This sounds so good. So, I'll download all the sound effects and hop back into CapCut. Now, I'll upload the sound effects to CapCut, drag them onto the timeline, and match each one to its corresponding video clip. This part ties everything together and really makes the video pop. And I think that's pretty much it for editing. Now, just click the blue button in the top right corner of CapCut, set the resolution to 4K for the best quality, and hit export. And there you have it.